Blake style with like the updo, and I think this is cute. This is cute, baby. Hey guys, it's Mylann and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I accomplished this curl former set with hair paint wax. This is my first time, so it's looking a little rough, but I think it came out pretty good. So if you want to see how I executed this and what products I use and my process of creating this curl former set, so I use these little schlongies here, please make sure that you stay tuned for the rest of the video and make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So guys, let me just start off by saying that you should always start with fresh, clean, blow-dried hair. So for this tutorial, I will be sectioning my hair into 4 sections just to make it a little easier to divide and conquer. The products I use are Curl and Style Milk by Shea Moisture, a set of Curlformers I got from Amazon, and green and yellow paint wax, as well as a glove and my handy dandy brush. So working within the first quadrant, I did separate my hair just to make it easier, and so I had the right size. I first went in with my Curl and Style Milk and rubbed that throughout my section just to make sure it's properly coated, and then I'm just showing you what the blue and the green paint wax look like. So these are really nice vibrant colors. For this part, I actually put on a glove just so my hands weren't so messy, and I used my index finger and my thumb to coat the blue paint wax. And then I went in with my other finger, my middle finger, to coat with the green paint wax. So this just made it a little easier, so I wasn't mixing the colors in the jar, but I was still able to get that ombre kind of gradient look on my hair. And for this part, I started off by just twisting my roots, and I did have a little bit of trouble, but once I twisted my roots, I did hook on the little hook thing that comes with the Curlformers, and then I just pulled my hair straight on through. But let's just move on to the next section. For this part as well, we're just going to repeat a pretty similar process, applying our Curl and Style Milk, and then going in with the glove, and then using the blue on our index finger and thumb, and then going in with the green with our middle finger and thumb just to apply that gradient look, and again prevent them from mixing. And this also helped so I could like blend on my hair instead of making the actual jars of wax like a blue green weird color. So yeah, so now I'm just continuing the same process, and you can just watch me along as I continue to do what I do as I do. Y'all, I had a lot of trouble with these Curlformers. These things are not easy on your first go around, so please be patient and just take your time as you're trying to figure this out. But as you go, it will be so much easier, like so much easier. So now I'm back, and now I'm just going to show you guys the front of my hair. I've completed the rest of my hair, now we're just at the front, and I just wanted to show you just how it looks a little bit more up close. So again, you see me using my index finger and middle finger twisting the roots, and then I will take the hook it onto my roots, and then pull my hair through the curl former, and we are finito. So now you can just see me acting a mess, and we're just gonna let these dry. But I just want to tell you guys, these are the most uncomfortable things to sleep in ever. Now, as you can see, I'm taking them out. I just coated my fingers with some oil, and then I proceeded, quick outfit change, I proceeded to continue to take out the Curlformers. It was a little hard figuring out which direction the curls were supposed to go in, and my hair actually looked very, very like flaky and like caked on, which I did not like, but the color was absolutely gorgeous. So now that I've taken out every single curl former, I am now just using the oil to again separate some of my curls and then just fluff out my hair. Because it is first day hair and I do have low density hair, my hair is not as, I guess, full looking as I would want it, but I'm just going to continue to pick until I get my desired look, picking and separating, and then again I'm just twirling the hair back around my fingers after I separate it to continue that curl pattern. But what I will say is that this stuff gets everywhere. Like, it was on the floor, it was on my shirt, it was everywhere. So with this, I definitely suggest not to wear like a white shirt. Wear something like black as you have the hair paint wax in your hair, because it gets a little difficult. And also, you guys, you know, just enjoy it. Try a multitude of different colors. Like, you know, enjoy the colors. Like, this is a vibe. It was definitely all over my fingers. That's the only con I can say, but besides that, this was absolutely amazing and I enjoyed it because it let me live out my color dreams.